What's going on over here? Baggins? Did Mama get you a new toy? What is it? Wow. Hey, Baggins. Wow. What is that? Yeah? Show Mama how you play with it. Let's see. Getting wet everywhere. Been playing with that for a long time, huh, darling? Yeah? 'Cause you're a Manx cat? Oh. 'Cause you're a Manx and you like the water? What's he doing? Thought you were going to do that. There's a big mess around here with that toy, huh? Mama put the fishing kitty in the bath. Yeah. He's been playing with this new thing for 15 minutes so far.